Hi, welcome to my 112 term project. This is a terrain visualization tool which uses the marching cubes algorithm to create a 3D mesh of various terrains. You can do so in light mode or in dark mode. I actually happen to like the light mode, so we'll be using that today. There are two pages at the start, the About page, which pretty much just explains how the marching cube algorithm works, and the sandbox page, where you are presented with two options. You can edit a 2D height map by dragging your mouse across the screen. Doing so will increase or decrease the heights at different points. So I can go like here, and then I can decrease the points right here. Once you're satisfied with the height map that you've made, you can visualize a mesh of that by clicking here. So I can see the height map that I made and how that would look like as a 3D mesh, which I can rotate around, see what it looks like. This also uses the painter's algorithm to convey depth and shading. So as you can see, triangles that are closer to us are brighter than triangles that are further in the back. You can also create a random map using Perlin noise, find one that you like, and see what that looks like. Doing so, you can also edit. So I can increase the height right here if I wanted to, and see how that changes the mesh. There's also the option to do the 3D visualize, where you can visualize any f of x, y, z terrain function in R3. So I can choose this function, see what this looks like. It's a mesh. This function, what this looks like. You can rotate it around. You can also edit these functions by increasing the surface value and by decreasing the surface value. And as you can see, the mesh of the terrain changes depending on the surface value. You can also change the value of each point by holding your mouse and dragging. You can increase or you can decrease the values at each point, and doing so will change the terrain. So once you do something that you like, you can rotate it around and you can see what the edits you've made look like. Increase the surface value, or decrease the surface value, increase the surface value. It all works. You can also, if you don't like these functions, you can do your own function. So if I wanted to see something like this, I can type in my own function and it'll generate that. You can rotate it around, change the surface levels, and change the values of each point. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole project. Thank you for watching.